the Dave amount of salt to it. Yay! So this is delicious, and I just want to point out that that is not my girlfriend, because people are going to think that. I have a girlfriend. She doesn't like to be on TmezTv. Dave's been on an Airbnb kick, and check this place out. Poor guy. Somehow, I talked everybody into going to my favorite place. We are at Venice Beach. Yes! Oh! Look at that dude getting it with that tie-dye shirt on. Oh, this is... So we have lost Dave. He pretty much can't help himself when he sees something he wants. See that right there, Venice.
It's me, the cinematographer extraordinaire.
Yeah. Be careful. Be smart.
That tripped me out more than riding that fucking helicopter.
Oh, that's so scary.
Oh yeah.
Whew.
Beautiful, beautiful. Look back at me. Smile. Flick your hair. Okay.
God.
So first the Grand Canyon and now South Lake Tahoe. Not too shabby for a California trip. And look who showed up. Hi, Madeline. Oh yeah, get her. Oh, Clinton's been having to work with her, so it's probably a little different.
See what you just did? My fucking head. Oh shit. Fuck me.
It's not fair if you catch them. And he just rolls it back and forth.
Again, damn it.
Well, maybe if you weren't dressed like a...
Oh, Clinton Boyles, you take that back right now. I missed my opportunity. Are you serious right now? You're lucky that my jacket.
Yeah, I know better than that. You know, like with Madeline, it'll be the doghouse for like a week and a half, 2 weeks for me. I know better. I know better.
I thought when you were looking away, I thought she was going to get you right in the neck.
I thought that's what she was going for. So we just took the craziest ride on one of these gondolas to the top. Dave is always spoiling us. We're in I don't know if we're in Nevada or California at this point, but Lake Tahoe. And it is crazy pretty up here. Man. Wow. We were just down in the casinos down there, right there. It's crazy how high up we are.
The greatest because it's.
Yeah,
Whoa, this is pretty neat.
isn't it? I'm slightly terrified, to be completely honest, but I'm doing my best. In the gondola, and we just were up there, and I'm scared to death, but I'm starting to not be as scared to death because I feel like we're closer to the ground. Everybody's laughing at me, but it's okay. We all have our fears. I ripped the lip. Everybody knows that. What you got there?
My emotional support alligator.
Your emotional support alligator?
I'm pretending it's a dachshund that you're not getting me because you're email.
Oh, a dachshund. But I did get you that.
Huh?
I did get you that.
Oh, I'm about to. You can have I do this. I bought this.
Look who's not driving. Oh my god, you're gonna have to move.
Oh my god. Sweet, you did.
It was close. That didn't really scare me though. Kinda hard to scare me. Oh, Ventura. Finished the year off on the beach. Killing it with WD-40. We don't paint our frames, so They just douse it with WD-40. All the good stuff. And palm trees.